Hey everybody, it's your boy Darth Revan, and in this video, I'm going to put together a Tensegrity structure. As you can see, you got, chains, it's anti-gravity pretty much. So I'm sure you've seen things like this on the internet, but today I'm going to put one together. So I'm just gonna empty out the bags and get into the time lapse. And here it is, the Tensegrity set, as it's called. So this is what it's supposed to look like, and here it is. Only problem I have with this is that this part and this part keep coming off. And it's quite aggravating, and it kept coming off as I was trying to assemble the thing, which is why, it took a lot longer than it should have. But that's okay, because I finally got it done. As a matter of fact, I think it was really nice. Despite the bricks being, really bad quality. But that's okay, and not having a tendency to split up. But whatever, it's okay. Anyway, don't make the same mistake that I did buying this particular version, but I'll still send you a link to where you can get this for yourself if you want to buy something like this. Besides, I only paid $11 for it, so it's quite cheap. So that's probably why the bricks are really low quality. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Revan Skywalker, and that was the Tensegrity anti-gravity Lego set. See you next time. Bye.